love a quick and simple slay over here on this channel. Like, we have too many things to worry about, okay? When it comes to this day and any day, you gotta worry about your makeup, your outfit, your accessories, your shoes, your hair. Like, and so anywhere you could cut some time and shave some time off, you want to do it. Happy Valentine's Day and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a collab with my good sis AsiahUnique, hashtag #VDaySlay. Okay, so we're going to be showing you some cute and affordable units that you could wear for Valentine's Day. Tis the season, right? So be sure to check out AsiahUnique's channel. I will link it down in the description box. As well as a direct link to her video, and her social media might be down there as well. So be sure to go and check her out. She does wig reviews as well, and she is on a weight loss journey that she is documenting, which I'm on as well, but I'm not documenting mine. But pray for us, okay? Because it's hard out here for a pimp when we're just trying to get this money to pay our rent. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, be sure to check her video out and check out her channel and show her some love on today. Yeah, let's get into it. But before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe if you're not already, okay? That's really important. I would love to see you come back. If you're new and this is your first time clicking on a video of mine, I'm Sharronrenee. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Happy Valentine's Day. Please be sure to subscribe before you leave, okay? Okay, here we have Catalina. Let's see what she's about. I find that I really enjoy doing first impressions. Like, I was really trying hard not to open this because I got it in a different color and I was really excited about it and I wanted to open it so bad, but I just was like, girl, keep calm, okay? My husband decided to get me sick, so I feel like crap and I'm kind of revved up on coffee and I don't even drink coffee, but I really was like dying and I needed to get myself pumped up and ready for this video. So melted hairline lace front wig. It says frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. Baby hairs included, soft Swiss lace, pre-attached wide elastic band. It says that it has the high-tech heat resistant fiber, heat safe up to 400 degrees. It says that it's redesigned, comfort fit, air contour. Okay, so it has like a inch of lace in the front, so that way you do get like the natural like hairline situation, but it also has a part. And the part looks to be about a good 5 inches deep. 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back. It has adjustable straps in the wig cap, and then it has this elastic band attached to the wig. Okay, so here we have Miss Catalina. This is by Outre. It is the melted hairline lace front wig in the style Catalina. I have her in the color DRFZGR. I feel like this cap is big head friendly, but you would have to cut out this elastic band that's sewn on the inside because it makes the wig fit really, really, really tight. Even though the cap itself is not super small, but it fits super tight because of the elastic band. So if you want to get this wig and you got a bigger size head, you're probably going to have to cut that elastic band out. I love the quality of the hair. I love the density of the wig. Like, it's a very natural density. The quality is good, so I feel like it'll last me a nice amount of time. And I've wanted a gray wig with like black roots for a very long time, so I'm really happy that it seems like this will be holding up. It's really nice to have if you are the kind of person who likes to lay your wigs, then you'll get the best of both worlds with this, because you get to kind of like lay the frontal portion down, but it also gives you a part. So like for me, I'm only utilizing a part, but if you're the kind of person who want to utilize mostly like the natural density of the hairline, then have at it. You know what I'm saying? It's for both of us. It's for the girls who like to lay a frontal. I don't know why I'm doing this because I ain't one of them, but it's for the girls who like to lay a frontal and for the girls who like a quick and simple slay with just like the part. So it's for both of us, and I like that. Now the color, I'm really into this color. I wanted a wig this color for a very long time. I think that it looks really nice, and then I feel like it just really takes a simple outfit to a whole nother level. Like, I literally just have on a black two-piece set, and it just elevates it a whole nother level. I was surprised that this wig was available in this color on like almost every site. I was like, wow, the girls are sleeping on the gray, huh? I was not one of them. I did not sleep. I got her and I love her. She's cute. So if you were curious about like the gray and how it would look, like, listen, this for the girls who be like last on the train and gotta get like the last colors. Get that color, rock that color, and slay that color, okay? Now, tangling, I have not gotten much tangling from this wig. And I think, like I said, the texture of the hair is really nice. And so, you know, and I haven't really been doing much moving around, but I'm sure it will tangle as time goes on. But I'm into the quality of this wig. They need to take this quality and put it on those Bobbi Boss HD lace wigs, the Sensational Wet lace wigs, and any other wig that's gonna come out and try to have like super bomb lace. Like, let's make sure we got some good quality here as well, you know? The price point is really good. I believe it's like $30 or something like that. Don't quote me, I'm a little disoriented, I'm sick, okay? But I believe it's like $30 or something like that. I don't know. And then I feel like this color just really gives life. Like, it really does. I'm really into the color. And I think that that's probably why I like the wig so much, because of the color. Because I think, like, you know, as far as the design of the wig, like, it's not anything like revolutionary, but I think that the color just really makes me love the wig even more. So the color is making me a little bit biased, but I do think that the wig is a good wig, and the quality of the hair is really good. Okay, y'all, I think I pretty much covered everything to the I think I pretty much covered everything when it comes to this wig. I'm disoriented. My throat is burning. I need to go drink me some tea, eat me some Halls, and take some more medicine. So I'm gonna go. Please be sure to go and check out AsiahUnique's channel. Make sure y'all go watch her video, subscribe to her channel, check out her social media, all of that stuff. Make sure y'all show her mad love. But yeah, also too, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, okay? If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to do that. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. That's really important. If you're new, I would love to see you subscribe. I would love to see you come back. So please do that. And shout out to Asia one time for the one time. Thank you so much for collabing with me on this video. I appreciate you. Much love to you. And yeah, y'all, that's it. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Valentine's Day. Okay, I hope you get everything you want. All things, sis. Whatever you want on Valentine's Day, I hope you get it. I hope you got it. I hope it's yours. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.